Dark science aims to investigate what may be hidden from us, both now and in the past. We believe you have the right to question and verify all public information. Hi, this is Karma at Karma Logic Min-Pixel Studios, proudly collaborating with Monica Motion Video and her dark science investigators. Today we take a quick look at our most ancient historical texts. Historians believe Sumerian civilization first arose in southern Mesopotamia around 6,000 years ago. They left mountains of information in the form of clay tablets, all covered in a language termed cuneiform. We know that modern humans appeared rather suddenly, 200,000 years ago. This baffles many geneticists and evolutionary scientists. In this relatively short span of time, we evolved brains capable of building and launching a spacecraft, capable of reaching terminal velocity, ultimately landing it successfully on the moon. However, the ancient Sumerians were not baffled at all. They referred to Anunnaki beings who arrived on Earth 450,000 years ago. The texts explain how these beings from the stars manipulated the essence, or DNA, of bipedal hominids they found here. This image is termed a typical Anunnaki family. However, nothing looks typical upon visually scanning what this stone carving depicts. Note that the Anunnaki children appear to be adults with elongated skulls. The tablets describe the sky gods as being powerful rulers over humans for thousands of years. These visitors from another planet portrayed themselves as gods, although they found it necessary to use mechanical devices like exotic weapons and rocket ships. Our ancient ancestors documented how the Anunnaki introduced culture and science to their newly designed species. Evidently, they genetically engineered demigods, as they were, to interact with humans. At some point, our gods realized Earth was about to suffer a catastrophic event, threatening to wipe out much of life on the planet. So the gods climbed into flaming birds and headed for space. We suppose a similar action would play out today with our space-savvy billionaires rocketing away from disaster. Then, hundreds of years later, being remembered as gods. But what has really been forgotten is, who were these Anunnaki from another planet? What planet? Why would they bother to genetically engineer semi-intelligent monkeys? Can you imagine slavery? Many researchers have identified human-like remains on Mars. Some suspect mining activities on both Mars and our own moon. Can you say cheap labor? The last question we pose is, when will they return? We take you deeper into these ideas in future videos. But for now, this is Karma, signing off until next time. Thanks for watching the Dark Science investigation, but please don't stop now. Take a moment, just one moment, and think about what has been said in this video. It may shed a little light on the darkness that keeps you from the truth.